nei o le NUSTV. Pe ona masani ai le fiafi la vai o le stofi. O se whaapoponga nei o tātou pokalame le whaasaunga o le fiafi. O le tātou pokalame nei, ia tātou tira la fo i tūlanga fo nei o nei whaafifianga. Ia e mese la fo i o nei me tupu i tau wasai ei fo. Ia le tātou tinga ina ma tātou ma sia fo i tūlanga i ngā ruenga sa whenga iei. Ia i le aso ma le aso e pila o nei fo i nei aso. Sa whenga i fo i pa ia man malu se tātou e tunu. Ia i tūlanga fo i tiute o wheau mga ruenga mese o tau wala awina. Ia ua alu fo le aso whaau ngasi. Ia e mana ia la nei whaafiafianga m tūlanga fo i nei. Ia wasai fo. Ia mo fo i sina fia au ala fo i. Whainga maro longa o le fiafi. I le fiafi nei la, ia o le tūlanga fo i nei sa iei se whaamoe fo i o le tātou lau mo nei. Ia la le sa whainga ia o au onga. I le tūlanga fo i nei o le lātou whaaringa murmuri. Ia i le tūlanga le vaenga o tosi ngā ata, ia e mise fo i. Ia o tūlanga whapena pe o nei, la tū whaalau loa. A mise fo i, o whawhianga m tūlanga. O toi tanga muli ia. Ia o le whaiunga fo i o le semester, ia e mise fo i. O la tū fo i le pokala muli. Ia awala fo i le whai o tongi a o le alo atu. Ia mō suenga. Peila o na iei le whaamoe lea o le sau whainga o onga pe o na iei le pō pō. Ia po o le aso fo i utuana i atu. Ia le sa iei nei whaaringa ne. Ia wala fo i whaalau lo fo i le. Pa ia man malu le tātou tunu. Ia emise fo i o mātua o wō mai māsani. Ia emise fo i o nei whanau a onga. Ia o lo o tauina i le papa i ngalanga nei. Nā matala le vaenga. Ia i le saunuanga au tū. Pe o na iai le ampasa fo i ia o le malo i apani. Lea o lo o langulangu sua fo i. Ia fo i tau mwhainga le whanau. Emise o lo university nei. Si mai ala mai mo.
To officially begin our evening, please join us as we open with our hymn presentation by the primary teacher trainees of HTE 264. Le pese ua whaingoina o lo umalu. Whaftai.
Umar
At this time, it is my pleasure to invite Associate Professor Dr. Susie Schuster, Acting Dean of the Faculty of Education, on behalf of our Dean Sunga Tavui, to officially introduce our distinguished guest speaker for tonight. Please join me in welcoming Professor Susie Schuster.
Good evening, everyone. It's lovely to see you all here tonight. Thank you so much for taking time to support all of our students within the Faculty of Education. This is the end of the semester program, Art Exhibition, where we have so many students, Faculty of Art, Faculty of Education, and even our general students who are doing their certificate in foundation. And we also have our students that are primary student teacher trainees, as well as secondary student teacher trainees that are learning the principles of pulling everything together to make fantastic teaching environments when they move into the education field. We hope that you took some time to look around at all the wonderful exhibitions. There will be more time later, so please do so. But without further ado, we would like to welcome His Excellency, Mr. Suzuki of the Japanese Embassy, to please come and open our program tonight and do the keynote speech. Thank you so much, Your Excellency.
Thank you, Dr. Suzy, for a kind introduction. Well, Tarofa, everyone. Good evening. It's a tremendous honor to be here today, speaking to all of you at the Faculty of Education at the National University of Samoa. I want to express my deepest gratitude to the faculty members of the National University of Samoa's Education Department for giving me this wonderful opportunity. My name is Suzuki, Ryotaro Suzuki, and I am the Japanese ambassador to Samoa. To be honest, it may be a bit presumptuous for me to speak here on a specialized field like education. However, as someone who has deeply loved art for many years, especially performing arts, I've been captivated by its immeasurable power. So today, as an art enthusiast and someone who wishes for a brighter future for the world, I would like to share my thoughts on the role art can and should play in education. We are currently facing an unprecedented wave of changes. The rise of AI, global challenges, and an unpredictable future. The children of tomorrow won't just need to know existing information, they'll need to know how to use it and how to create new things. In such an era, simply cramming facts won't equip our children with the true ability to thrive and lead happy lives. So what exactly do we need? I'm convinced that one of the answers lies in art. When I say art, I'm not just talking about a specific subject or activities in school. Art is not just a subject. It's a fundamental force that nurtures the very humanity of our children. Why is that so profoundly important in education? Let me share a few thoughts that I hope will resonate with your minds. Firstly, the source of imagination and creativity. To navigate the uncertain future, it's essential to have imagination and creativity, the ability to generate new solutions to unprecedented challenges, free from conventional thinking. Art is precisely the arena where imagination and creativity can blossom. Instead of seeking a single correct answer, children explore endless possibilities through colors, shapes, sounds, and movements, experiencing the joy of creating their own unique expressions. This process ignites the inner spark of creativity within them. Secondly, fostering of emotion and empathy. Paintings, music, theater, dance, art speaks directly to our emotions. It evokes joy, sadness, and awe. Through art, people learn to recognize complex emotions that words alone cannot express, and they learn ways to communicate them. Furthermore, by engaging with others' works and expressions, they encounter different emotions and perspectives, cultivating empathy. This empathy is crucial when trying to understand others and cooperate with others. Thirdly, cultivating diverse perspective and critical thinking. What do you feel and think when you see a certain painting? What story do you imagine when you hear a piece of music? Art poses questions to us. It's not about passively receiving information, but actively observing, interpreting, and forming one's own opinions. This strengthens the ability to discern truth from falsehood and analyze complex issues from multiple angles. A critical thinking skills indispensable in today's world. Fourth, building self-esteem and enriching the soul. Art allows people to be themselves and affirm their expressions. No matter how simple a piece of work may seem, it is their inner voice, precise individuality. The joy of expression and the experience of having it acknowledged strongly fosters children's self-esteem. And beyond academic achievement, art is essential nourishment for the heart, nurturing emotional well-being, mental health, and resilience in the face of adversity. The songs, dances, and even traditional tattoos cherished by the people of Samoa are truly the soul of your nation. It forms an integral part of the national identity and creating bonds that transcends generations. 5, developing future-ready 21st century skills. Creativity, communication, collaboration, critical thinking, these are widely recognized as indispensable skills for navigating the 21st century. What's remarkable is that many of these skills are at the very heart of art education. Through artistic activities, children naturally hone their skills and develop the capacity to thrive in future society. Dear future teachers, you are not merely transmitters of knowledge. You are invaluable designers of lives who will shape the future of our children. In your hands, the classroom can transform into a space of boundless creative possibilities. Please light the lamp of art, not just in textbooks, but in the daily lives of your students. Cherish the time when children freely draw, sing, move their bodies, and weave stories. This isn't just for art's sake. It's a magical tool that can be used in any subject: language, arts, math, science, social studies, to unleash children's curiosity and power of expression. When you stand before your students, please remember these words. Children are painters who will depict unseen worlds, musicians who will compose new futures, and actors who will perform their own stories. I truly believe that your passion and creativity will make the future of Samoans' children and the future of Samoa as a nation richer, more creative, and kinder. I conclude my speech with my heartfelt wish that the children who will lead Samoa into the future grow into richer, more creative, and kinder individuals. Power of art. So if ia marumile. Whawhetai tere rawa.
And ladies and gentlemen, we're now moving to the entertainment and performance section of our program. Vaenga wa lewa no tātou moe miti ai ne nei vaenga le fiafi I lona autu po lona aunga le wha moe. Tonight's performances reflect creativity, expression, and artistic learning journey of our students, teachers. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the wonderful presentation prepared for you. Our first performance, the contemporary Sasa, performed and choreographed by HTE 264, followed by Do You Hear the People Sing? Stars, I Dreamed a Dream, and the last one, Card on High. A mai se patipatele, whawheloa ia ele tātou Port Kalame, o le a whaatino atu ia ele HTE 264 Nea Fiafi. Whawhtai.
slaves again. When the beating of your heart echoes the beating of the drums, there is a life about to start when tomorrow comes. We'll join in our crusade, we will be strong and stand with free. Beyond the barricade, is there a world you long to see? Then join in the fight that will give you right to be free. Do you hear the people sing the song of angry men? It is the music of the people who will not be saved again. When the beating of your heart echoes the beating of the drums, there is a life about to start when tomorrow comes.
There, out in the darkness, a fugitive running, falling from God, falling from grace. God be my witness, I never shall leave till we come face to face. Till we come face to face.
Mine is the way of the Lord, and who follow the path of the righteous shall have their reward.
To be counted, filling the darkness with order and light. You are the sentinels, silence and true, keeping watch in the night, keeping watch in the night.
He knows his place in the dark. You go your course and your aim, and each no season returns and returns, and it's always the same.
Lord, let me find Him, that I may see.
Ya tulanga umana pi ona yei le fa moi moi. O le sa fa ingo o nga ala le fo I a vaenga ia o la tau fo ia fo yala ai o le tulanga na pe ona yai ia o tulanga tu singata ia o fa fia fianga o tulanga mo pe ona yai le sa ta mua i le sunga fa ia onga ia malu yau le ua la tai ia e pe ona yai ia i le afia fil nei i le pokalame pe ona yai o si ui fo le matunga le tatu pokalame ne afia fi tatu tu sta pa i le so mo te minei pa sai foi